Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with everyone a bot that automatically comments on YouTube videos. Please watch the entire video. It won't waste your time. First, you enter your email account into the software, and it will automatically create mass YouTube channels for you. And here are the very good features that I want to introduce to you, which is the seeding feature. You can seed specific videos or videos on a YouTube channel. I will give you a specific example of a video on my YouTube channel. The operation is very simple. You just need to copy the video link and paste it into the bot. You can enter any content that you want to automatically comment on. Finally, just click the Start button and the bot will automatically comment on that video. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you are interested, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp, which I pinned below in the comments section. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Hope you have a nice day. Please subscribe to my channel to know more good things.